Hello everyone, in this video I'm going to show you how to install a WordPress plugin. Two ways. The first one is the easiest, when you just download the plugin directly to your WordPress from the WordPress repository, and the other one is the manual install. We are going to install two plugins. The first one is the Yoast SEO plugin, which I think is the best SEO plugin out there. If you want to be discovered in the search engines, make sure to upload this one. I'm planning to make a very detailed tutorial video on this Yoast SEO plugin. And the other one is a very simple plugin, the Factory Cookie Notice plugin, which is something that you have to have on your website if you operate in the European Union. This just basically places a little notification for the visitor that you are using cookies. So the easiest way is just to install the plugin directly. Just head over to plugins and add new, and you basically have to type in the name of your plugin here when it says search plugins. So the name is Cookie Notice. I just copy paste it here, and you see a list of plugins. You need to select the one that you want to install. Of course, this is the one that we want to install, and I just click install now, and the plugin is basically installed in like 2 seconds, but it's not working yet. You need to click activate if you want it to get working. So let's click activate, and the plugin is activated and it's working. And all this plugin does is, let me show you in another browser. When someone navigates to my website, it just puts this notification about using cookies on the site. So this plugin is installed, and it took about 10 seconds in total. But in some cases you are not able to install a plugin directly from here, from your WordPress dashboard. One reason might be your server settings, and another reason might be if you are using a premium plugin which is not on the free WordPress repository. So this is the download for the Yoast SEO plugin. Let's pretend it's a premium plugin. Just download it to my computer. And what you should have here is a zip file. You see it downloaded WordPress SEO 6.1.1 zip. So make sure you have a zip file. This is the actual file, the zip file that you need. So head over to the add new section here, the add new plugins, but this time you need to click upload plugin. You click upload plugin and then click browse and find the actual plugin that you want to, the actual zip file that you want to upload. It's here, WordPress SEO 6.1.1. You just select it and click install now. This might actually take more time, because this time the file or the whole plugin is being uploaded to your server from your computer. So it took about 10 seconds for me, 5 or 10 seconds. And same situation, plugin is installed and you need to activate it. Plugin is activated. Everything is done. This time we installed a very useful SEO plugin, which I would say you need it if you want to get good results in the search engines. So this is how you install WordPress plugins. First, the easy way, the automatic way, and the second, the manual way, which is always available every time. You can do this every time, even if the automatic version is not working. So I hope you found this helpful. Please give me a like, this helps me a lot. Make sure you subscribe to the WP Cookhouse channel to get more videos on WordPress, SEO and online marketing, and thank you for watching.